Today, we're going to open the GeekGear Wizardry monthly subscription box for January 2020. Okay, so for those of you who have opened these with me before, welcome back. For those of you that are new, GeekGear is a monthly subscription box, and if there is a house-related item in here, it will be Ravenclaw because that is my house. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm really excited about this month because they said they're starting a new collection that will go the whole year. So I'm super stoked to see what's in here. So let's get into it. Ooh, okay, so right off the bat, I see a shirt. Okay, this is really cool. So it is a Hungarian horntail shirt. That's really cool. It's different. I've never seen a Hungarian horntail shirt. That's really, really cute. And their shirts are really nice quality. They're very soft. They're durable. The screen printing is nice. It holds up well in the wash. And yeah, that's really cute. Different. Okay, cool. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like a little box. It says skele-gro. Okay, let's see. I've not been crazy impressed with a lot of their potion bottles, but ooh, okay. This one's very cool. So it is a resin cast skele-gro bottle, and it is really cute. Okay, that's a fun little addition. It's almost like a travel size skele-gro. Yeah, that's super cute. Okay, all right, Geek Gear. That's the first potion I think you guys have made that I've actually liked, so that's cool. We have another little box, and it says, ooh, it's a prophecy orb. Handle with care. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's actually a prophecy orb. So this, I can already tell from the weight. We got a glass orb. That's super cool. And it has the little stand even. Okay, that is super cute and super well made. All right, Geek Gear, I see you. This is really good so far for the January box. I love both the little replicas and the shirt. So, oh, we got a tube. Thinking maybe this is the piece of art. Maybe. Yes, I think it is a piece of art. I'm curious if it's by Kevin Cantwell or if it's another artist. Oop. Okay, so it's, I'm not sure whether that's supposed to be Fred or George, but yeah, and it is by Kevin Cantwell. Very cool. I wonder if this will be one that's like a multi-layer, like if he'll end up having the other on a separate piece and you kind of put them together, but that's really cute. So they definitely, well, I guess it's kind of a mix of, yeah, I thought maybe they were kind of going with a year theme, but this is definitely them at the Quidditch World Cup because you can kind of tell that one of the twins has got their Irish hat on and then he's got his Irish scarf. So it kind of goes with the horntail shirt a little bit, but the prophecy ball is definitely from 5 and skele-gro is featured in 2. So yeah, that's okay. That's a cool different piece of art. And I love the way they print those on that really nice paper. It feels like a watercolor or pastel paper. Okay, that's our cheat sheet. I'm going to put that off to the side. Oh, did we get a wand? Hang on. I don't want to look at that. Ooh, okay. Oh, we got a little charm bracelet. I wonder if this is what they're starting for this year is a charm bracelet, which would be very cool. As you guys know, I got a couple of the Pandora Harry Potter beads for Christmas, so they would definitely fit on here. Okay, so it's got a little clasp, and it has a little heart hanging. Let me see if you guys can see that. And it's adjustable, which is kind of nice because sometimes the Pandora ones don't fit people with bigger wrists. Or if you have a lot of charms on there, sometimes it can get tight. So that's kind of nice that it's adjustable. Okay, yeah, that's a really good quality. I would say it's right up there with the kind you'd get from Pandora. Oh, I think they gave us a bead. Yeah, okay, so they gave us... What is this? Oh, I think it's a little owl. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this. Hang on. Yeah, so it's a little owl charm. Okay, cool. That's really nice. I'm excited if that's what they're starting for January for the rest of the year. I think that that's replacing the T. So that's kind of nice because, you know, how many T's can you really go through? And we have a Hogwarts print, which that's nice. I'm so glad it's not pink and purple. And it does say Hogwarts on it. And it's watercolor. I don't see an artist's name on here. It does look like it's a licensed print, though, I think. All right, that's cool. So, okay, we got a wand thing in here, but I don't think I was supposed to get a wand thing in here. So we'll see the cheat sheet, because if so... Yeah, there's nothing else in the box besides the scratch-off sticker, so let me scratch that quick. And we got no win, better luck next time. Okay, so let's get into the cheat sheet. Okay, so we have for 2020 the licensed and exclusive Hogwarts print, the exclusive Hungarian Horntail t-shirt, the exclusive skele-gro potion replica, the exclusive Wizardry Friends artwork part 1 of 4. Okay, and they are designed by Kevin Cantwell. So that is going to be a, you know, tiled piece. It's 1 of 4, so that's cool. So the other twin, I'm assuming, will be on there. And if they're on a broom, maybe Ginny's on there and Harry. I don't know. So we'll have to just wait and see what the other 3 look like. And then we have the exclusive Prophecy Orb replica, which I love. The exclusive Wizardry Charm Bracelet, and the monthly Charm Collection Snowy Owl. So it says, our new yearly collection, every month you will receive an extra magical Wizardry charm for your charm bracelet. So that's awesome. I'm very excited about that. And their spotlight this month is Potter Poppet. And next month's box hint is Pious Thickness. Wonder what they're going to do for him. Maybe they'll do his wand, or... not sure. So that's interesting. Okay, yeah. So overall, I'm guessing that the wand was probably from one of the wand boxes. Not sure, but yeah, it definitely accidentally made its way in here. But I definitely think this was a good box. This little skele-gro replica is super cute and very clever. I'm super excited about the charm bracelet and the charm, just to kind of see what they give us, because before Pandora came out with their Harry Potter collection, there really weren't any Harry Potter style beads that weren't dangly, and I'm not a super huge fan of the dangly beads, so I'm excited to see what they come up with. And this Prophecy Orb with its little metal stand and glass ball are just stunning, and I can't wait to add that to my shelf. And I liked the t-shirt and the piece of art. I mean, both pieces of art. So really, there's nothing in this box that I disliked. If I had to pick something, I guess it would be the Hogwarts print. But I liked that even. So yeah, I think this was a really good start to the year. I'm very excited to see what they do with the rest of the year, because that was a really strong box. So good job, GeekGear. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think this was a stronger box than some of the ones they've had in the past? If you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.